Yo YouTube, what is popping? Welcome to Callisto's live YouTube channel. Today we're going to go over some quick analysis on a few pairs, but first of all, if you haven't already, go follow the Twitch stream. Link is down below, and you'll get notified whenever I go live. It's where we take some live trades, do some live analysis, different all kinds of different traders coming in, chatting, sharing their analysis, sharing their thoughts and ideas. So definitely go hit that follow button, so again you don't miss out on when I go live. You will get notifications, and also if you like the YouTube channel, like and subscribe. If you have any content ideas, any different pairs you'd want me to analyze, then let me know in the comments. And also we have the Twitter and the TikTok, so follow them if you're interested in those kind of things. But let's get into the analysis. So yesterday, if you watched yesterday's video, and if you was in yesterday's live stream, you would have seen that I was in the sales on USD CHF, and that was basically from up here somewhere in this area. I had it I was a bit further up than that. I had a 25 pip stop above its level, so it was around there somewhere. And then yesterday around about 4 a.m. last night, I took profits around about here. Funny story on that, I was actually at the hospital because my wife's water's head broke. We are expecting a baby within the next couple of days now, so our water's broke last night. We went to the hospital. I was kind of monitoring this trade, and I took profits right as price touched in on this support over here. It's this previous level where price tapped over here and then rallied up, you know, whatever it rallied up at that point, 300 pips. So I did take profits once price hit that level. So it was for around about 95 pips, a 1 to 3.8 risk reward, almost a 1 to 4. So that was that trade yesterday on USD CHF. And you would have seen from yesterday's video and live stream as well that I was in that. So if we go back to GJ, sorry, I just got a little bit of it. Yeah. So what I'm looking at today, yesterday, if we have a look, if we turn on our session, so this was yesterday. Second. God, the hay fever is just killing me right now. If you look at yesterday's session right here, starting from this purple section to this next purple section, this is the whole of yesterday's candle. If I just turn on this real quick, this whole red box was yesterday's candle. So what I was looking for yesterday was price to continue bullish and pop above previous daily highs for a buy. It didn't end up doing that. It came down. I did end up taking a sell live on stream as well underneath this support. So as price closed below right here on this candle, I did enter right here as price broke down. It went around about 20 pips in profit, but I did close it at break even once this candle came up and came back to break even right here, and then it ended up, you know, going up anyway. So that was good risk management and good trade management on my behalf. I did want a breakout, and I wanted price to push down with a lot of volume because it was New York session open. So I was expecting a lot more volume to come in and push price down a little bit, at least give me a 1-to-1 so I could move my stops to break even. It didn't end up doing that, so I did end up closing the trade there at break even. And then again today, I am, if we just look at the daily candles, right, we are in this kind of uptrend. And now I will be looking for buys above 169097. So I will be looking for buys above this level if we can get a closure on the 30-minute above this resistance, or sells below this support right here at 167308. So a closure above here and a closure above there for buys and sells. So let's see what it gives us today. Looking at Euro USD, last night it did have I had this level marked out right here. It broke it, and I did talk yesterday about it coming in for a deeper retest of this level. It did do that. Right here you can see right at London Open, we just wicked off this level perfectly and then started pushing up, went bullish. I was looking at buys above here, but at this point it was 2 a.m. I don't trade past 1 a.m. Sorry, hay fever again, just killing me. So I don't trade past 2 a.m. so I did not end up taking buys above this level, although it would have been decent buys above that level. We went up for around about 50 pips. So today now, again, I am looking at buys above, right, above this level, potentially something like this on Euro USD to continue bullish. And yeah, that's that basically. Sales would be all the way down here below this level. So yeah, probably not too focused on sales at the moment, but more so looking at these buys above this level here to continue bullish. So above buys above 1.00965 here on your USD, and then if anything else happens within the next few hours, price comes down to this level, I will be updating that analysis probably on Twitter and also live tonight on Twitch. What else? USD CHF. So now I've took my profits from this. It looks like it's pulling back. It might come for another test of this level. But then again, if we do pop above this level, I will be looking at buys here above 0.99336, as this is now key support, resistance. So it does pop above there, then we could continue bullish. And then again, I'll be looking for sales below this level here, 0.98371. I will be looking for closures below there for sales and closures above here for buys. But mainly probably today, following this trend, I will be looking at sales below this level for sure. If we get down here, we are creating this pullback, which is what can happen for it to then continue down later. So yeah, that's USD CHF. And now we have gold. Gold, again, yesterday I was looking for buys above this resistance, but then once it did come up, you can see that it just completely broke this level and closed above for like 300 pips above this level. So at that point, I'm not going to be entering buys here, you know. And also it was 2 a.m. So again, I don't trade past 1 a.m., but I was waiting for these buys here yesterday. If you did watch yesterday's analysis video, I did say we're going to potentially, it's highly likely that we're going to come for a deeper retest of this resistance support area, which we did do. And then once we tapped into that, turned around right here at London Open pretty much, and then just continued bullish at that point. But for me, I was for confirmation for these buys, I was looking for price to close above here, but then it just completely took off from there and didn't really give chance for entries. So again, today I am looking at buys. I am looking at buys above this level. That is 1716935. So buys above that level on gold, and then sales would be if price came all the way back below this level, but I highly doubt that. And even if it does, it will probably be then sales for tomorrow, if it did something like this. So yeah, mainly focus on these buys today in gold to continue this move upwards. We've got the move up, then we've got the retracement that's happening now, and then once we break this retracement, then it can potentially continue bullish. Sorry, man, I've had hardly any sleep after being at the hospital all night. So yeah, that's what we're looking for, closures above there. So yeah, that is it really on these four pairs. I think GJ could go either way because GJ is in this close range. If we do get some movement coming up here pre-London or down here pre-London, then it would set up nicely for buys or sells. So that would be nice. Euro USD should just pop above this level, nice move up, then we can buy with a breakout right there. USD CHF again, nice little pop below this level would be nice for sales, and gold, of course, a nice pop up this level, closures for buys. So that is it for today. If I'm live tonight, I mean, like I said, my wife's waters broke yesterday, so she should start going into labor within the next few hours by tonight. So there's a high chance I won't be live tonight or tomorrow, but then I will resume streams next week, Monday, to continue trading live on Twitch. We're growing the channel really nicely. Got a few more followers in last night. Here, I'll show you the channel real quick. Here it is, Callisto's live. We go to create a dashboard real quick. You can see here 64 followers. You know, it's been really good lately, so I'm really happy with that. You can see here I've made $2.52 so far from streaming on Twitch. But we've got affiliate, we've completed all these, and now we're just waiting on partner, which is a long journey really to get to 75 average viewers. So yeah, stream summary. This was last night's stream. Stream for about 3 hours, 4 average viewers, 7 max viewers, 9 unique chatters, 1 follow. So you can see here as well. Here's the trade, that USD CHF trade. So yeah, definitely go follow that if you're interested in watching me trade live and you want to ask some questions or you want to share some of your analysis. Come through. We'll be happy to have you. And yeah, I will see you guys in tomorrow's video. Yeah, peace out.